Hi makers, happy holidays! We are so excited for our December maker kits because the sky is the limit with what you can do. You will have noticed this month in your kits you've got some pre-packaged items, and you also have instructions for how to run paper circuits to make a cool card if you want to. However, what we would like to see you do is think out of the box this month. So instead of using those pre-packaged little crafts, take those apart and make something totally different using those supplies. You can totally make those circuit cards if you want to. They're really cool, and give them to somebody special. Or think out of the box and use items found around your house, like maybe tubing from the paper towels or some aluminum foil and some other random supplies, and maybe think of something super creative like making a Christmas tree using the paper towel tubing, and you could run that circuit up to make a tree, or use other items found around the house to create something cool. The point is, the whole point of makers are that you are thinking outside the box and you are utilizing all kinds of different materials. So have fun, have a happy holiday. We would love to see what you create, so let us know, and we will see you in January. Bye everybody!